This is Walden reporting from Donisti balcony on Calle Akendo. My neighbors are wimps. There's a spot of rain, and so at the appointed hour, 4 minutes to 8, we come out to applaud, and I hear just a smattering. Just a smattering. Like an 8th inning applause for a ground out and a close play. Out at first, good effort. One of those kinds of applause. Home team losing 4-1. That kind of applause. And my neighbors over there, one of them normally I get into a chat with after the applause, and her husband, he comes out very late. Well, he came out for 1 minute. A real cameo. And she closed the doors as soon as she heard the applause dying down. What is it with everybody around here? Is that what you call team spirit? Come on. And the only people permitted to walk around have dogs. The funny thing is, I don't even think there's a rule about stay within sight of your home. So they take the opportunity to have a real stroll. Good for them. I got to get myself a dog. What if I take out Cuki? I could take Cuki out for a walk. Do you guys know Cuki? Let me introduce you. I think you're going to like him. Or her. I'm not sure of his identification. But do you think if I took Cuki out for a walk, the police would sanction me? What do you think, Cuki? What do you think? Do you think, Cuki, you could go for a walk with us? Nod for yes, shake your head for no. Cuki and I are going to go for a walk this evening, just to test it out. I don't think there should be any prejudice against mechanical dogs. Mechanical dogs, poodles, hounds, guard dogs, hunting dogs. Cuki's a dog.